Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how you to disable grid. First of all, what you're gonna do is about understand on something through situation that is ready to be satisfied. Every single progress that is ready to be satisfied. So this is really something. So what you're gonna do and understand on some situation through the progress. So this is really how we're gonna see over the progress that is ready to be satisfied through every single progress. So what you're gonna do is about to click on a certain frame and then scroll down here, go to the layout grid, and then start to select the grid. And then as you can see, you can remove it, or maybe you're gonna start to go for the grid and then start to press on 0, or maybe making the grid is really hidden. And that is all about